am Mr. Mogi, the garden gobbler. Welcome, friends. Today, we are at the Maleny Botanic Gardens. This magical garden is famous for its beautiful backdrop of the Glasshouse Mountains here in Queensland. These mountains are millions of years old and made of hard lava rock. And all story tells that these rocks were once a family who ran away from the flood which washed the whole valley. I wonder how it would feel to be a rock washed by the water. Look, friends, I can see plants growing on the rocks. What do you think lives under the waterfall? Let's think about that. Touché! What did you say? Plants and fairies. Plants are so strong, they can live in the tiny cracks of the rocks. And all around the rock pools, plants grow close to the water because they like to drink all the time. This water falls over the hard rocks and splashes droplets onto those plants, keeping the whole area moist and beautiful. And the plants love it too. What that you say? The fairies love it too. Let's find out.
Where would fairies live? Good question. Maybe they live amongst the moss walls. Does that look like a fairy tree to you? Oh, look! Frogs live here. Maybe they know where the fairies live. I think they're telling us to keep looking. I can see fairies would love to live in this garden. There are so many flowers and beautiful places amongst the rocks. Oh, look! This garden is magical. All the colors look just like fairy wings. But what's that? It looks like a fairy garden, friends. We found it at last.
I knew that we could find fairies around the waterfalls.
Yes, fairies are living here, in the trees. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, this is a great place to visit, friends, if you love flowers and fairies.
Oh yeah! Thank you for visiting Maleny Botanical Gardens with me. See you next week. Oh yeah!